Okay, so in our previous video, we learned how to do land use and land cover analysis using Landsat data and employing the interactive supervised classification algorithm. And this was the result of our classification. Okay. So what we want to do is to calculate the land sizes of this. To do this, one method I want us to use is to convert this to polygon. Okay, so this is a vector data, sorry, a raster data. I want it to be vector data. Okay, in this case, a polygon. So what we will do is you search here raster, sorry, raster to polygon. Okay, so we're going to search that. My polygon is not working. Okay, so raster to polygon, we pick the first one, raster to polygon conversion. And we input raster, which is the classification click on composite. Check create multi-path features optional. Check that. And while we want to save this, I want to save this, and so I want to save this in a 2010 database. So this will be polygon. I just give it some name. Just give it something that this will also yeah, then oh my goodness, what I checked is actually taken. The reason I checked the click more because it limits the number of feature IDs in the attribute. So if I open it, I only hope it has it that. If I open it, it has created several, it's repeatedly open every breakdowns of the analysis, and I don't want it that way. Okay, so we can quickly do that. I actually forgot to check it. Okay, so you got this, the band selected, and this is where I was talking about. Okay, so we can maintain this here and get this checked, and let's go ahead. So you see a difference. I usually don't like it because it gives such. So look at that attribute table. You have about 221 features. Okay, and that's not what I actually wanted. The features should be saying 4. Okay, it should be 4. That's it. So here we go. So when I check that, you see the features are just exactly what is here. Okay, all right. Now, if we want to actually confirm this, which is which, we have the build and the build here, vegetation. So when we open this and look at the feature ID or the value, so the feature ID 1 was for the build, 2 vegetation 1, 3 vegetation 2, and 4 vegetation 2. Sorry, the build out 2. Okay, so that's the same thing here. So you should have that at the back of your mind, and I think you can just extract this if you don't want to have issues. So you can just, so we have builds being the first one and the last one. Okay, so we can quickly extract this. So when you have this selected, you can just right click on it and go to save data, go to export. Okay, then you go to, okay, so navigate to wherever you want to save it. Remember we created something which was definition. So I can just call this build. So build up. I need it to be issue file. Okay, so you save it as so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create here. We need this. Okay, so now we have our build up here, so you can just click here to select everything, apply the selection. So if we open this, the attribute table only have 42. Okay, so that is 1 and 4. That is 1 and 4. So we did the same thing quickly for the vegetation, and the select vegetation is 2 and hold control and 3. Okay, so you click here, right click and go to download, data and export. Then you navigate to where we want to save it. So it's actually a view, and I think, okay, There was a file database. I didn't send this was sorry I can show you. And I needed a file. Okay, we can just go ahead for vegetation. Hope that's well spelled. Okay, so vegetation. You can go ahead, click OK. Yeah, so we want to add it, but if you want to add it to the layer, you can go ahead to it. So I want to add it. Okay, so if you open this also, you have attribute table. So you have the IDs 2 and 3. Okay, so now we have extracted these two guys separately. Okay, so for now, we can uncheck this, so we can classify them just as so maybe let me just do this. Maybe let's okay, so what we can do is now you go ahead, you right click when you go to properties, then now we want to calculate the area, so you go to the drop down to table options, you go to add, but remember you cannot add fields when your editor is on. So whenever your editor is on, you turn it off before you try adding fields. Okay, otherwise it's going to create issues. It will not allow you. So here would have been inactive if the editor is on. So I'll go ahead, add fields, and I can call this area. I need this as float, and you click OK. So the area is created, but I didn't finish typing it. I typed R, but that's fine. So what you do is place your cursor, right click, then you go to calculate geometry. Okay, so calculate geometry. Now you have the unit. You decide what unit you want to save this in. So if you need to save this in hectares, acres, whatever you need to. So I actually want to save this in hectares. So I select hectares and I go ahead to go to it. Okay, so it's calculated. So for the vegetation 1, you have 42.6 hectares, 153.292 hectares. So you can go ahead if you want to get a sum maybe without you, summing it up yourself. You can just right click here and go to statistics. When you go to statistics, it gives you the mean, the maximum, the minimum, the sum, standard deviation. So it's the sum we want, and that is 192.98 hectares. Okay, so that is for the vegetation. You do the same thing for the tail tab, and that's how you basically get your calculation. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful in your experience, and have a nice day, nice evening, nice morning. Bye bye.